Alright, backtesting every day on turn profitable day 114. Let's see where I left off yesterday. So yesterday, backtesting session, I got a new losing streak, which was a losing streak of 7. Before it was 6. But we did had a few unfortunate trades. We had a total of 6 break-even trades, but eventually did go to TP, which was pretty unfortunate. Yeah, that is what it is. Losing streak is now max 7, and yeah. So let's go into this session. Yo, Jimmy, how are you, man? So let's see. And go into this session and open up Forex Factory. Okay. Loading. Alright, so this is where I left off yesterday. Let's go to the next day, which is going to be Monday, 29th of April, 2019. Or 29th. Alright, so we have AM session trading only because of medium impact folder news. And does look like a good trading week. We do have an NFP week as well. Okay, so let me remove all of this. See where we are in price. So it looks still really, really bullish. Oh yeah, we're at all-time highs. See what we have in this year. And ES trading towards all-time highs, looks like. Then we have the singular busy, which is on the 6 hour, which I can remove here, probably create another one in there. That'll be a singular 8 hour busy, which we did tap into. Then yeah, trading towards all-time highs. And then on NQ, we have a singular 2 hour Civi, which is a inversion now. So yeah, this looks really clean from here. Then in this leg, we have a singular 1 hour Civi, which I would like to see get used as an inversion. And then for ES, you have a singular 30 minute, I think. Yeah, singular 30 minutes. So I would like to see this get used as an inversion as well. Manipulation lower. Don't know where. Maybe into these lows. And then from there go higher. Good, man. How are you? I'm good as well, man. I switched back to top step. Why? Why is that? And yeah, let's see what the juice swing wants to do. It's only AM session trading. So let's play this out here. Does look like ES wants to go instantly towards the high there. And it does. It's now at all-time highs. Still looking for bullish prices. So let's see here. Dropping lower. Okay, we did inverse this, but that's inside 5 minutes before 10 AM. So I'll wait until 10 AM is open, or the 4 hour candle is open there, which is right there. We trade lower. Okay, we do have an inversion here after taking these equal lows, and it is a trade, so that would be crazy entry on this, because just looking at this candle, like, we're still not there. Like, it could reverse right away at that, but we'll see. That's going to be the equal lows taken. That's going to be the inversion right there. That's going to be the closure above. It's going to be the stop. And then the break even will be at this high here, which, you know, it will actually be at 1-1. And then first CP will be a minimum of 1-2. I think above this high. Yeah, nice. Minimum of 1-2, max 1-3. And yeah, that would be the low hanging fruit. And then also all-time highs for ES. And break even on ES will be at this high here. So we'll see what we do. Gonna enter on this, place order, save. Let's see. That's break even. Oh, that's break even. Let's see what we do here. Nice. Okay, so that's first CP, 75% off there. Did I take it off? I did. Okay, so that's 75% off there. And then now letting it run until all-time highs. And then there are different all-time highs on ES, like this all-time highs, but I mean all-time highs on NQ. That'll be a full TP, and let's see if you want to get there. I blew my account today? No, man. My challenge. What was it on my Fund of Futures? Start revenge trading, but when I traded my trading view, it kept glitching too. When I traded my trading, it was like worse than top step. Like with my Fund of Futures. Let's see what we do. Either a TP gets hit, or gets out to break even, or sets out my kill zone. We'll see what we do. We should be 1508, so I'm still holding in all this. We're almost there. That's right there. So 1507 candle closure, 1508 candle open. That'll be full TP, and that was eventually a 4.63 RR full TP. Beautiful. First trade of this session. This was a 2.23 R. So you're gonna charge my screwdriver. Right. I was having issues with my PC. It wouldn't let me modify more. So that's if that would be top step. Like you're not able to modify your orders, but also yeah, maybe on my Fund of Futures you can also go into the Discord and then ask. Like you're probably not the only one, but if it was top step, like they would be aware, and then they would, like, you wouldn't even have to ask, and they would already refund the for everybody. Yeah, my Fund of Futures. All right, that's really unfortunate, man. But it's also like this session. I don't know what we did the entire day, but I saw that PM session was pretty bad. But that, I think that's beautiful, like that it is pretty bad, because it's also the day before NFP, and most of the time, or yeah, I've made it like a rule, not, yeah, like I've made it a rule for a reason to not trade the day before NFP, because I have been chopped in that many times as well. Maybe like that's maybe something you can see from your data as well. Maybe you see, oh, I also get chopped up in the day before NFP many times, and then yeah, maybe you can consider like maybe not even trade that. Like yeah, that's something that you only find in data. So yeah, that'll be the first trade. Go to the next day, which will be Tuesday. Will be the entire day. All right, what's this? It's like maybe it's like earnings or something. Exactly at 4. So we'll be in trading this entire day. See where we're trading towards now. We have a similar 2-hour busy here, which got in first. And then on ES, yeah, we're still holding all of these imbalances. Where did I have it marked out? 8 hours, not even a singular 8 hours, it's a singular 2-hour, but still. Right there. So we're still holding this. If ES closes below in 29 minutes, going to be looking for way lower price until all the way these lows here, and then for NQ this low as well. This will be the range low. Maybe we want to have an SMT at this low and then from there go higher, but we'll see. It's 9:30 open, and we have 10 AM news. So let's see. Just looking at the structure here, you have a huge imbalance. Delivering off this, I don't even have to mark it out. Dropping a lower now. Again, 30-minute chart. I like the FX replay commented on the backtesting session, and I said, yeah, can you guys fix the 30-minute chart, which sometimes, yeah, sometimes it's weird, but yeah, hopefully they fix this. This would be again another example of it. So let's see. We already took this low. We have an SMT to lows, but oh yeah, and I do look for higher prices. So let's see. Okay, so this is instantly a trade. This is a 4-hour low. Oh, this is a 4-hour low. So I at least need to see a 5-minute Turtle soup, which I don't need to see in this case, because we have an SMT to low, and that's a long time ago I've actually seen that. So I actually got to go back into where I marked it in my rules. After liquidity gets taken. right here. So we need to see the turtle soup before going higher after the 4-hour low. We need to see some sort of manipulation before going. The only exception is if we have an SPT. This is our double sweep for execution C here. Okay, yeah. That's a long time ago that I've seen this. But this now would be a valid entry because you have an SMT at the low. We did take a 4-hour low, but yeah, we don't have to see that sweep of the 5-minute low because yeah, like I said, it's going to be really tight break even. We'll see what we do. On the ES will be break even there. Place order, save, let's see. Break even. Let's see, stage of accumulation here in this market make a buy model. This would be a stage of accumulation, but it's not a 1 and 2, so I extend this. This is not even a 1-1 here. And it's going to be a fixed 1 and 2 RR. There's no other stage of accumulation in this, so it's going to be a fixed 1 and 2 TP. Yeah. Let's see if we even want to get there. Alright, break even trade. See what we eventually did. We did at 10 AM news, right? Yeah, we did. 10 AM news is right there. This is an entry, this closure buff, so I'm going to play this out, but I'm going to go back on this and then take it. Does look really good, I would say. Okay, I think that's going to be a full stop on that other trade as well. So this is going to be break even. Right there, and then go back on here. That'll be the inversion. Oh, that's literally, or no, maybe, I think it isn't. I think that's break even on a tick, not hit there, no. So it will be a loss there, but I have to go back and take it. Because I would have in actual price. How far was the, Jimmy, how far were you with the account? Like you blew it, but was it, were you up a lot already, or was it just a few? Or wait, you know, you said something, revenge trading, alright, yeah. So yeah, and in this, I'm in this, that'll be the entry. Break even is going to be at, oh, actually at a 1-1, oh, we will be break even, look at that, that 1-1 is going to save me again, beautiful. So right there, the 1-1 is hit, but not the buy side, which I don't need because, or don't need. Like when it's beyond the 1-1 RR, then it's going to be break even at a 1-1 RR. And this did prevent me from getting full stop, so this is really nice seeing this. Actually going to mark it out like this. Nice. So that'll be break even. I'm still bullish. So I'm gonna still be looking for bullish setups. We'll see what we do though. Yes, still inside of that singular imbalance. On NQ, we don't have anything in here. Okay, drop in lower. Yes, still in that imbalance. On NQ, we have this range here. Like this would be the inversion, but I still look for bullish prices, so I could mark out optimal trade, which we probably are even beyond that. Yeah, or just about there. But yeah, we could take out the range low there maybe, and then have like an SPT again at the lows, which could be. But I am looking for bullish prices. Didn't take out a 4-hour low. We did on ES. And we already took out the 5-minute low. Okay, so let's see what we have here then. 2 minutes, 3 minutes. Will be a 3-minute inversion. We did close above, so yeah, it is an entry. Let me check. That's, yeah, probably gonna be an entry. Candle on, yeah, no, it isn't an entry. Okay, crazy. Because you don't have any liquidity here, so it isn't a entry here. Okay, dropping lower, nothing here. Still dropping lower. Okay, we drop all the way to the significant low. This is also now outside my training time, just 10 more minutes. Okay, I've taken a significant range low now. And then on the ES, still inside of this range. Where we have the singular busy as well. So again, still look for bullish prices. Top step allows me to access 2-minute time frames and more with top step X. 2-minute time frames. What do you mean? Like if you were trading on TradingView, right? With my fund futures, or you mean with the contracts? I was up 3%. Profit call was 8%. Yeah. Alright, so this is now outside my trading time. Go to the PM session. Nice direction for ES. Again, now in that singular imbalance again, which on the 2 hour, beautiful. We're expecting C of that as well. So that could mean, okay, we're really, really bullish still. And then maybe trading towards these highs, which I am expecting. On NQ, ooh, looks really good as well. You have a singular 30-minute inefficiency, which we closed above. I would like to see this get used as support. We don't have to tap it, but from if we do tap it, I would like to see it get used as support. That'll be the original consolidation in this fractal market make a buy model. So again, look for bullish prices. We'll see what we do. Just looking at the structure here, we do need C manipulation lower first. Okay, that could be it. So trade lower. That would be a 1 minute SIBI, which would be the inversion, which we close above now. It would be an entry. Break even would be at, that'll probably be a fixed 1-1 RR. Don't really like that the inefficiency or the SIBI is all the way up there. And now we have such a huge one because always the sub is going to be pretty big. But yeah, like the target is pretty big as well. So it averages out, but yeah, still I don't really like these trades. I like to have always like to have a more tighter stop, which I don't know. Looks better, I'd say. Break even is going to be at this on ES, and then on NQ it's going to be at this high, which is already taken on ES, so I'll be at this high end. All right, let's see. Place order saved. That'll be the break even. First TP will be all the way up there for first TP. Yeah, for the original consolidation. We'll see what we do. Nice, that's a break even. See if you want to run higher now. Okay, yes, almost at the original consolidation, but we at least need to be at a 1 and 2 for NQ. So I'm still holding. If ES takes out the high, I'm still holding until NQ hits the 1 and 2, which I think it will do. Okay, yes, already took the high, as you can see, but yeah, still holding. Nice, 75% off there. 75% off there. Beautiful, beautiful. And then full TP will be at. Let me check. That'll be at a fixed 1 and 5. There's no other stage of accumulation here. I still expect for us to go higher. Let's go. Oh no, it's still inside of a 1 and 10. Like I don't expect us to go all the way here, but this would be the final target. Or the market closes, not closes. I mean, outside my kill zone would be outside my kill zone at 1508. We'll see. So just letting this run now. So 1508, 1456. I think this is gonna be break even. 1507 candle open, 1508 candle open. I mean, it's gonna be 100% off there. So nice trade, right there. That was full TP. At a on the 03RR full TP, 1508. Nice, and then the 1 and 2 was somewhere. It's right there. So really nice trade on this. I wanted to RR. 75% off here. Beautiful. So we're gonna copy this. Paste in here. Nice trade. Move all this now, go to the next day, which is gonna be Wednesday. Yeah, I would have had to buy a TradingView subscription to access. Really? You can't, if you have the free plan, you can't trade the 2 minute. That's crazy. Didn't even know that. So yeah, let's see where we are now in price. We do have a big SMT here now. Eventually, yes, they went all the way higher. That is, yeah, that's, no. Wait, I'm confused. Wait, what? Oh yeah, we were trading here, yeah. So eventually, yes, went all the way higher until all-time highs. Have a huge SMT there now. Let's see what the price action is showing us here. Already taking this low. Let me check if we do want to go lower. 2 hour, 4 hour. Okay, we have a singular 4 hour inefficiency here. That would be the inversion. The range low would be until here. So I'm looking for shorts. I think. I didn't check ES yet. Yes. 6 hour. 8 hour. That's balanced, so that's already fine. Look at the 12 hour as well. Daily. Okay, daily. That's even lower. That would be the inversion. And then that will be looking for shorts all the way there. So I'm not even going to mark it out like that low all the way there. Could change in that time. But I know now, okay, I should be looking for shorts. This is a low hanging fruit. And then looking for this low to get taken. From there I'll be bullish again. So let's see what we do here. Thursday, I don't even know if we have news here, by the way. Wait, I traded the Wednesday. Oh no, it's not Wednesday. Wait, what? No, it's Thursday. What? I think that win on... This is Wednesday. Okay, it wasn't the right time because I was looking. We had FOMC. No, wait, what? I'm really confused now. Okay, let me check. I don't think I should have taken this trade. Where did I take the trade? That's 10 AM. Wait, did I skip this day? I skipped 2 days, I think. Tuesday. Wait, what? I'm really confused. What day was this? 13:30. Oh, it was Tuesday. Oh yeah, wait, I skipped the entire of Wednesday. I should go back to Wednesday. I skipped Wednesday. Okay, I really didn't remember anymore what, what Wednesday did now. So I'm going back on Wednesday. We have FOMC here, so I'm skipping until we have FOMC release, FOMC statement. Yeah, nothing changed, so okay. I skipped the entire of Wednesday, I don't know why. Yeah, go to the PM session because of FOMC. Then skip after 2 PM. That's right here. That's FOMC. See what the bias is here now. I have to do this again. So this still looks really bullish. 4 hour busy still holding. Yes, already took out all time highs. Doesn't like I know that yes took out all time highs and we had the huge drop lower, but I'm still looking for bullish price. There's no reason to be looking for lower prices. 8 hours, yes, and single 8 hour busy. Alright, let's see. So I'm looking for bullish price, but yeah, most of the time I don't even get an entry on FOMC anyways. See what we do. We have this really clean lows, and then from there, maybe if we take out those and then we go higher, we'll see. I look for bullish prices. Okay, now already waiting until FOMC press conference, which is 7 more minutes. That's right there. That's the release. I think I would have taken this trade. I would have. Yes, I would have. So going back on this, that's unfortunately a loss. Skip too fast there. So that'll be really zoomed in. Like you could say that now because that would be hindsight, but yeah. Like it still looks really good in my opinion. We have this really clean highs, this low resistance. Break even would be at this high here. No, actually a 1-to-1. Let's see if it saved me again. That would be a markets. Don't think it did. No, that would be full stop. So just gonna mark this out here. Copy the image and then paste in the losses. Yeah, okay. Alright, let's see what we do. So still looking for bullish prices. I think this is that drop lower that we saw this day after. It's still looking for bullish prices though. And this outside my kill zone. So we'll end that day on a loss. Go to the next day. Now again would be this inversion. This inversion, and then yes, all the way lower, and then for NQ looking for sell side or looking for shorts until these lows. Looking in this price lag. 2 hour, we have a singular 2 hour busy, which we are holding still, but I would like to see this get used as an inversion. And then for ES the same thing. Yeah, 2 hour, I'd like to see this get used as an inversion. Low hanging fruit, and then let's see what we do. Thursday. Oh, we actually have no news. I'm not even trading this day. Okay. Let me check. Yeah, we have no news. Okay, so go to Friday where we do have news. Oh, this is also the day before NFP. I wouldn't have traded this anyway. So look at that, range low taken, beautiful push higher. And now on Friday where we have NFP. All right, so let's see what we have now with structure. So yeah, we have taken that significant range low there again. So again, I would be bullish. And then again, that 30 minutes is doing weird. I know that we have an inversion here. It could be like a 30 minute as well, but yeah, this would be a singular inversion then anyway. Oh, yes, has already taken that, so this would be the low hanging fruit. You could instantly take the high, but that would be the low hanging fruit. I'm expecting for us to go higher from here. And then there's no stage accumulation in this here, so just looking for a bullish price until this high. So trading towards that high, just looking for bullish prices. Gonna remove this now, remove this as well. And then if you do want to trade lower, let's see if you have a big open inefficiency, a singular one. It'll be a 2 hour. Yeah, it would be right there. PC right there, and then on ES we have a singular 2 hour BC here. We don't have to tap into it, but if we do want to go lower, then I would expect us from there, or I would expect us get support from there. See what we do. We have news also at 10 a.m. Let's see what we do. Okay, that would be an entry, but ES has already taken those highs, so it's not an entry because I would be break even there. See what we do now. We drop lower, taking out these equal lows, having this inversion here, 946. We have 10 a.m. news, so this would be an entry, but because we have news, it's no entry. Let's see what we did. Okay, eventually they went higher, but doesn't matter. Still had to wait until news. So still look for bullish prices. That low hanging fruit is already taken, but now we're just trading towards the buy side all the way up there and looking for bullish prices. With structure, we don't have any crazy equal lows. We do have these lows or these lows on ES, which kind of look equal, but we have an SMT there, so that also looks really good. So looking on the 1 minute here, just zooming in the structure. Let's see, looking for longs here. Okay, ES taking out those equal lows. Let's see if we want to get anything now. Do get something. And we fully respected this, yeah. So you have to wait for more structure. Didn't close above, it's no entry. Dropping lower, we have this really clean lows now on ES. And we have nothing on NQ yet, so waiting. No entry in here, would wait still. Or actually, yeah, this low took out these lows. Yeah, it would be an entry on this. Break even would be here. But I think this will be like a break even trade. My stop is really big in this case because it's at this low. Entry is on here. Break even would be here. Let's see. Because I'm not even going to take it if it's not worth it. Because if it's a break even, then yeah, why would I take it? Okay, if it is a loss, if it is a win, then I need to take it, of course. But if it's a break even, I'm not going to go back for it. This is outside my trading time now. If I was still holding this, let me check. I think I do need to be in this because that would be probably profit there. So let me go back on this. That would still be inversion. And then this structure still stands because this is that low that took out the equal lows. And we did retrace all the way back, but then still from swing high to swing low, we have the singular inversion in here, which we now closed above. So we play on this. So I would still be in this. Could be, I don't know, but yeah, the structure is so far now, like I'm not gonna go and let the day entirely play out. Well, I should be in this trade. Like there's no point of me being in the trade if it's a break even, but if it's a loss or a win, I do need to go back and take it. First TP, I think that would be all the way up there. No, it isn't. That would be a first fixed 1 and 2 RR. That's first TP, and we'll see. On ES break even, yeah, on NQ was there, and then on ES same thing, but I know NQ already was first. So yeah, now stop at break even, and then now skipping price action until one of break even is hit or the TP is hit. So I think we got the retracement here, yeah. So it'd still be in this. Okay, so it does look like it's going there. Okay, it will already be hit, but couldn't have taken a partial here on FX repage. So okay, nice. 75% off there. Like really didn't like this trade, but Is this right? I really didn't like this trade, but if I knew everything about the charts, then I would be profitable. Like I don't know, I don't know everything about the charts, so I could see this as a bad setup, but still it could be a good setup. That's just what I really like about following my rules. Because if I knew what price was going to do, I wouldn't have needed all these rules. So full TP would be at this, or 1508 would close my position, or I'll be at break even. So let's see what we do. All right. And ES, the buy side is all the way up there. 1406, still holding. Still holding. Oh, 1515. Shit, I was already too late. So 1507, 1508 candle open is right there. See if you can get it a bit higher, because there would be the full TP. Bit higher. That's a bit too high. That's a bit too low. That's a bit too. Maybe I'm too precise on this shit. I shouldn't have been. Please go back to there. Eventually we do go to the high, but that'll be at summer training time. Yeah, I'm not gonna. I should just go all the way back now and go to that 1508 candle, because there's no way we're gonna get back all the way there. All right, let's see. So place order, save. This is so annoying. That like this is the thing that they should really put limit orders on FX replay. And that would be like a limit order, not just contracts, but also like a bracket which says, okay, 75% off here. Like not just a limit order, but also brackets that says, yeah, exactly what I just said. All right, let's see. So we're about to get there. That was right there, 75% off there. And then 1508, I'm already going to mark it out before I miss it again. All right, let's see. Oh shit! Oh, no way. It lagged on me. So 1508, yeah, doesn't really matter. It's a bit less profit. I know we got a bit higher. Okay, yeah, right there then. That's 100% off there. All right, so that'll be 1508 right there, and that was a 1 to 2.6 R, 2.6 R full TP. 1508. And then the 1 to 2 TP was like right there. 1 to 2 RR, 75% off here. It's on the bottom, and then beautiful. Yeah, beautiful trade. So we took equal loads on NQ here. Look at that. We didn't have any news. It's not an illegal trade. No, it isn't. It's beautiful. All right. So right there, gonna copy the image, paste it in here. All right. Go to the next day now, which will be Monday, where we have no news. I skip this. Go to Tuesday, where we have AM session trading only, because you have medium impact folder news. Paul speaking in this week. Okay. Oh, Paul speaking this week. That's something I wanted to get for my data. The day before Paul is gonna come on, which is Wednesday. Is it a good day to trade before Paul is gonna speak? We'll see. I'm gonna trade that day, and we'll see what the price action is gonna be. I want to have it at least 3 times back tested. So we'll see. So we're holding this singular busy, so that looks bullish. Bigger time frame is bullish as well, so that's why I'm looking at that. I think, let me check actually. Bigger time frame is bearish. Singular imbalance here, no. 8 hour, yes. 8 hour inversion. Oh, that's all the resistance. Oh, it's gonna be looking for shorts all the way here on NQ. So yeah, I don't think we're gonna go all the way there. But it would be looking for shorts until we get there. So on ES, same thing, yeah. That would be the inversion. All right, let's see. So I'd like to see this busy. I'd like to see that get used as an anticipated inversion. Low hanging fruit would be below this low. Below here as well. All right, let's see what we have. So on ES, it's gonna be looking for shorts until the range low here, which is exactly the same low. All right, let's see here. And then I'm bullish or bearish until proven otherwise, which would mean if we close above this singular 1 hour, which I don't think we will. So it looks really good for lower prices. Let's see what we do. Let's see what we have with structure. This does look like low resistance, these highs here. Not really that clean of a trend line, but looks pretty bearish. So still, but like these highs, that looks like too clean as like a higher low, lower low, higher low, lower low, or a lower high, lower low. We'll see what we do. So 9:30 Tuesday. Okay, only AM session trading. We'll see what we do. Okay, that would be set up, I think. Yeah, it is. Okay. Yeah, 9:40 in the right time as well. So we took out all these equal. No, is it set up? No, it isn't. Or yeah, it is a setup. Okay. So took out this high here on NQ. Took out this high here on NQ. I mean ES. Took out this high. This high. Those are equal. And then we took out these highs here as well. Now I have the singular inversion in this fractal leg. This is an entry. Stop would be at the high. Break even is really tight here on NQ, which is here. And then on ES it's not here because that's fully closed in. That will be there. So we'll see what we do. Place order, save. First EP will be a 1 and 2, minimal inside of a 1 and 3. So it'll be a fixed 1 and 2 here. There are no stage of accumulation in here. That will be full TP. Let's see what we do. Okay, that's a break even. Okay, break even trade. Wow, really unfortunate on this. Beautiful run, but that's no. Alright, that's really unfortunate. Yeah, but it is what it is. Like, there's nothing to do about it. Copy image. Really nothing to do about it. Okay, so that'll be that. Still looking for shorts. Nice run so far. Let's see if we get anything. Okay, we did get a nice manipulation. Above this high. We only took out one high here. Okay, 10 AM. 4 hour candle open now. Wouldn't be an entry in here, so waiting again. Okay. We do have an SMT at this. And we close below. And we are below second stage distribution, so this looks good. Oh, this is one thing I wanted to see as well. I'm going to take this now. But this is an SMT. Like, this would be a valid SMT. But on ES, we don't have a swing high in this. So this high, that's not a swing high. But still, it would be... Like, yeah, that's something. Like, I don't know yet if this is actually valid. Like, I would say if this is going to be a winner, it's going to be valid. If this is going to be a loser, then it's not going to be valid. Or, yeah, I do need to see, or do need to get more data on this. We'll see. Break even would be at a 1-to-1. Yeah, and then on ES, that would be at this low here. So we'll see what we do. Okay. There was no respect of this inefficiency. I'm just gonna write this down now. Okay, this is no trade. Like, SMT at least needs to be a swing high, because that could also mean, just thinking about it now, like, we could have all this structure on ES. Okay, this is not a good example because you can't see the candles, but we could be really choppy, like all these candles, like really zooming in. Like, we could have an SMT at this, and then the NQ is really volatile, but ES is like this price action. So just, this is going to be a trade. Just going to mark this out here. I'm still going to take this loss, of course, but I'm going to copy this and put it in my Notion like that. Oh, wait, did I already, maybe I already made it a rule. I can remember now I did make something about it. Single refugee, no. Don't think it is. Or don't think I have written down or written something about it already. Or it will be in this one. Break even, need one more example. No, okay, so can add it here. No trade. No. IFG, SMT. No trade with no swing X. In this case, you can see we are below second stage distribution. I am bearish, and we create a SMT at the highs, but we don't have a swing high on yes. This means that it is a no trade. It has to be a swing high. All right, nice. What is this? And then break even will be here. Okay. So let's see, took one loss on this day now. Still looking for lower prices. Still looks really good, I would say. 2 minutes. We have a single inversion there. After taking these equalize, it would be a really low entry. Okay, that's nice. I do like this. Okay, nothing here yet. Nothing here yet. They close below this, taking out this high. But yes, did nothing, so it's no trade here. Oh wait, we did. Okay, we failed to close above this, so this is a valid entry. We're still above second stage distribution. So that'll be the turtle soup. That'll be the entry. Stop at the high. That'll be the target, which is a 1.76. So it's going to be extended until 102. Break even would be really tight again. That would be this low, because we have an open inefficiency in here. And then on ES, that'll be this low is already taken, so that'll be this low on ES as break even. We'll see what we do. Break even, see if we, okay, we did retrace. Yeah, was thinking this. Okay, so that's unfortunate. It's going to be another break even trade. Missed a 104 RR on this day. Like if I was actually in this on this day, like mentally it would be insanely hard missing a 104 RR and then getting a, or no, I wouldn't have taken this then, but missing a 104 RR, break even, okay. Still allowed to take a trade, alright, still following my rules, okay. And then taking another trade, and it's a 102, and but you got to stop the break even, like, yeah, but it is what it is, like, there's nothing to do about it. Alright, so, still looking for shorts now, yeah, still looking for shorts. That's the low hanging fruit, still look for shorts until the range low all the way there for ES or NQ, and then for ES also there. So let's see what we have. It's almost outside my kill zone, so we'll see what we do. But yeah, hopefully I will get I wouldn't say rewarded, or maybe it is rewarded as the word, but like the patience with this that it requires, and then like I feel like this is going to be still rewarded. Okay, 11:16 I was thinking, because this looks like it's going to be a loss, but outside my training time. Yeah, okay, nice. Go to the PM, say, oh no, Tuesday. Alright, no, I won't be rewarded, because that's only AM session trading because of medium impact follower news. Maybe in this day then. Go to the next day. It's going to be Wednesday. Okay, let's see what we have here. Bigger time frame, still bearish. We have nothing in here. That'll be 1 hour, 30 minutes. Okay, so we have two 1 hour business here, one here, and we close below this, making this an inversion, so that looks good. And then we have to close above this or this inversion, or SIBI I mean, before we can look for bullish price again, which I don't think we will. So that looks still really nice. Yes, look at that, significant low. Did create equal lows with this, we're definitely gonna get there. Or definitely, I don't know, you never know with this with the market, of course, but still I'm confident with it, I could say. So 1 hour here as well. Also have the inversion, looks really good. Alright, we'll see what we do. So it's going to be Wednesday, the day before Powell is speaking. So we'll see how this day is going to be. If I literally take 2 full losses on this day, yeah, on this day, then I'm literally like rule already, like not trading again, ever again, until the day before Powell. This is already an entry. No, break-even would be at this low, so it isn't, no. So just letting price play out here now. Beautiful tap in the inversion. See if this is going to be the high. Don't think it will be. Just looking at this retracement. Okay, let's see what we do. Okay, pretty back and forth. Okay, so this looks like a really good setup. But again, day before Powell, we'll see what we do. So that would be the entry. Taking out equalize here. Could be a crazy trade. Equalize taken here. Break even will be at this here. 111, so it'll be a 101. All right, and then on ES, that will be at this low here. Place order, save. First TP is going to be at a minimum of 102. It's going to be this low, beautiful. And full TP is going to be at the range low, which is Warner Cat. Thank you for subscribing, man. Thank you. I started looking at London session, lows and highs, and answering off the sweep or run on those. That's a really good one as well, I would say. Like, it's really obvious, yeah, obviously that we, that's important price level always for liquidity. All right, so let's see what we have here. So closing below, we'll see what we do. Okay, instant stop, that's one. All right, that's one. Let's see. Day before Powell, gonna copy this. I don't want to paste it in here because I could go back on this day and then one more loss, as I said it. One more loss and then I'm skipping the entire day, never trading the day before Powell again. I want to mark this in a separate one. All right, let's see. So still looking for shorts. See what we do. Already from 9:30, looks like choppy price action. So we'll see. Okay, I think again. Yeah, we did close below this again. Oh no, after taking this high. Okay, it is a trade. Okay, so let's see. I really want this to be a loss so I can just say, okay, never trading that again. That'll be the inversion now. Same inversion. That's the entry. Stop the eye. Please stop me out here. So, place order. Save. Break even will be at this low. First TP minimum of 1 and 2, which isn't here, so it's going to be a fixed 1 and 2, I think. Yeah. All right, let's see. Oh, come on. Break even. Unfortunate. Unfortunate. Really choppy though. Eventually, yes, did take out the high. Maybe I'll just be lucky here. Break even. What the hell? Okay. I'm just gonna make it a rule. Like I'm not even like I don't even want to do it. Like I would be in this trade. Like I would be in this trade here, entering off this candle, instantly going up here. Chopping. Yes, takes out this high. Could as well be NQ taking out the high. Then we go lower. We go to this open inefficiency. And then what is this? I don't know. But just gonna make it a rule. Never trading the day before Powell. And again, gonna make it a rule. I do want to see what we did the rest of the day. That wouldn't chase anything. Like I have my I have my statement with that now. So let's see. I want to see what we did the rest of the day. Okay, so went all the way higher just to go lower here, creating perfect equal lows. Okay, that'll be the AM session. Yeah, there's yeah. Okay, so nice. Gonna write that down. I'm gonna write it now in my Notion, but I will go back on this because it is actually a rule now. So just gonna delete that entire session, and then I'm gonna day before. Never trade the day before Powell speaking. So normally I do this in my handwriting, or how do I say this? My handwriting journal. I don't know how to say it, but when the title already makes it clear. But yeah, I'm just gonna write this down so I won't forget putting it in my handwriting journal. Go to the next day where we have Powell speaking. Now it should be a good trading day. Okay, beautiful push lower there. Yes, at the range low there. So I'm again looking for bullish price now. We'll see what we have. I think, let me check, just on a bigger time frame. There's no way. 2 day. Okay, yeah, so yeah, it would be bullish again. We have this inefficiency tapped again, like there would be a similar inversion, but still. See, we have now 2 week, 3 week. Don't have anything in here. Looking at ES, we have a singular 1 week busy, which we are in now. Right there. Your model based on what? Gonna start backtesting that theory. Yeah, you mean with Powell? Like we had at, what was it? a day before yesterday we had Powell speaking, or it was the day before Powell speaking, right? Or maybe even the day before that. Like that was crazy. But again, I want to see more data on that. This already proves enough for me. Like that day was crazy. Again, my model based on I trade IFVGs. We just made the same reaction. I know what you mean. Oh yeah. Okay. All right. So let's see. Yeah, so look for bullish, bigger time frame and efficiency here. Busy. Looks really bearish, obviously, but I only need to catch a small move. Let's see what we have here. So we have nothing here. Everything is saying bearish. Thursday. We have CPI on Friday. CPI is still fine to trade. The day before CPI, I really have seen really okay price action. I've already tested that because I thought that CPI was one of the biggest. But there's no build up of it. I noticed like with NFP there's actually build up with it, but the candle could be bigger on CPI. Like I don't know, it's weird, but yeah, that's just what I've seen. So looking for bullish price here. We'll see what we do. If we just trend lower, like that will be it. Like I'm not interested in shorts. No way that this is gonna be an entry if you close above. 1 more minute. Okay. It is an entry right there. That would be the inversion. That will be the stop, taking out these equal lows. Bullish bias inside of this inefficiency on ES. Break even would be at here on NQ. And then on ES that will be at same high. Right there, yeah, okay. So place order, save. I'm in with 0.02 contracts. So place order, save. Is that right? No, okay. So yeah, that'll be the break even. First TP will be at a minimum of 1 and 2. That'll be there. Okay, so let's see what we do here. Alright, and that's gonna be an instant stop. You could say, okay, that's yeah, why would you look for a long here? I would say the same, but my model says so I need to. Or my strategy, my model, however you wanna call it, says so. Still look for bullish prices. We'll see what we do. Not interested in short still. Drop lower. If we just keep dropping lower, like it's totally fine. 9:59, I have to wait until 10 AM now, which is here. Drop lower again. Looking at the bigger time frame where you have 4-hour lows. Oh, was I even allowed to take that trade? Low there. In this case, I should mark out all the 4-hour lows because in the bigger time frame we have so many. Then okay, right there. Was I even allowed to take the trade? I was, okay. Was I actually? Wait, we have one there, which I marked out, but we also have one here. 5-minute low. Yeah, I was. Oh, I already marked out that one. Right there. Yeah, 100%. Okay, I was allowed to take the trade. Let's see what we have now. So looking at ES for our low, we have nothing in here. So let's see. Yo, Fido. What's up, man? How are you? Alright, let's see. Nothing in here. Nothing in here. Nothing in here. Dropping lower. Yes, taking out that low. Equal lows. Dropping lower again. 4-hour low taken now. Looking at the 5-minute now. That's just, I love this rule as well. This really avoids me of getting into that, not chop, but just trading against that bias. We'll see what you do. It's going to be outside my trading time. That'll be outside my trading time. Go to the next session. Look at that. I was looking for that. Beautiful. But couldn't get it, unfortunately. 2-hour. The inverse, not yet, but we're about to. And I'm bullish still, bigger time frame. So would be really good. Then I have this 2-hour here. Let's see what we do. Stage of accumulation in the smart make a buy model. This one is already taken. Then we have no. Okay, we have this one as well. Do we? Yeah, we do. Okay. Yo, Cold. What's up, man? How are you? Let's see. Looks pretty good here, I would say. Looking for bullish prices still. See what we do. Dropping lower. If we inverse this, crazy entry, and would look really good in my opinion as well. Yeah, okay, so we do get it. I would say this looks really good. Again, if I knew what the market was going to do, I would be I would be profitable, but I don't know what the market's going to do. But in my eyes, it does look good. Stop at the low. Break even at a 1-to-1. Place order, save. That's going to be the break even. And then first TP minimal of 1-to-2. That'll be right there in the opening efficiency. And then this would be full TP. On ES, break even would be at this high. And let's see what we do. All right, let's see. Break even. Nice, 75% off there. Hello, 75% off there. And then 100% off here at a 3.8 RR, come on. 3.8 RR full TP. Put this on the, just put this on the left, that'll be good. And then this was a 2.12. It's also on the top, let's see. Oh, ES about to take this out. If ES takes it out, then I can take full profit because I'm at a minimum of 1-to-2. So we'll see what we do. Either NQ or ES takes it out. ES takes it out right now, or takes it out here. That'll be 100% off there. And that'll be a full TP of 3.41 RR. Beautiful. Full TP. Look, yes. Beautiful trade. Beautiful, beautiful. Copy the image. Paste in here. Oh yeah, okay. So that's a really nice one. Day before CPI, look at this price action, beautiful. Now going to CPI, which is actually on a Friday. Like, don't think now it's never at a Friday anymore. I think now it's always at Wednesday or Thursday. I'm good, man. Busy few days. Yeah, it was a really nice one. I'm good. Busy few days with school, like the last days before Christmas. I mean, and I've heard a lot of people they're really busy now. Like they do have to do all the work before just before the holidays. So that was a really nice one. Yeah, would make. Why isn't there? Yeah, like honestly. If it was like that every day, then it would be really easy, of course. But that's so, like the price action in there, that was so clean. So bigger time frame still bullish. That will be anticipated inversion. On ES it will be a, we have a 50-minute there. Yeah, so singular 50-minute there. And Q looks better then. Like I'm not going to mark out the one all the way on ES. Like probably by then we have already closed above this on NQ. That'll be low hanging fruit. Stage of accumulation is already taken on NQ. That'll be this high. And this high as well. This high. And then this high as well. Alright. So let's see with this. Friday. Yeah, CPI at 8:30. That was right there. Alright, let's see what we do. We have to take some liquidity. Okay, let's see. Look for bullish prices. 10 a.m. we will have an inversion here, which doesn't look like we will have. Okay, so we didn't close above this, so yeah, no inversion. So we react off this as a SIBI, but still I would like to see higher prices. Maybe want to go to 8:30 low, who knows? We'll see. Dropping lower still. 4-hour low. Oh, we have taken a 4-hour low now. And I'm looking for bullish price, so at least need to see a 5-minute low get taken. Oh, we took it out here. Yeah, so that's already taken. So let's see what we do. We drop all the way lower. And then we're still inside of this imbalance, which on the 1 hour, which we are still respecting 44 minutes, so I'm not interested in shorts. Yeah, let's see here. So still look for bullish prices, and if we just continue lower, like that's totally fine. Okay, we drop all the way lower. We've taken a 4-hour low now, so at least I have to wait for 5 minutes low to get taken. So that would be nice, preventing me of getting a bad long in this really bearish price action. 10:04, it is an entry. Okay, so going back on this, that would be the inversion. I've taken this 5-minute low after the 4-hour candle sweep. So that will be okay. So it does look good right on there. Hopefully it will be a nice trade. It does look like lower probability obviously, but still looks good. Like looking at that candle after this one. All right, stop there. Place order. It's going to be a 1-1 break even. Right there. First TP minimal of 1 and 2. Stage of accumulation, that'll be right there, but that's beyond 1 and 3 RR, so going to be 1 and 2 fixed. First TP. And that will be final. On the S break even, that will be at this high. First TP, same high. Right there. Let's see what we do. Break even. Break even trade. Dipper. Ooh, not yet. Okay, dipper value getting fully stopped. So that's nice. Copy the image. That'll be a break even trade. Going to the next session now. It's gonna be the PM session. Look at that. Beautiful. Was looking for that. What time was it? 43. Nice. So let's see what we have in this leg here. We have this 1 hour, still bigger time frame, and still looks bullish, but the bigger time frame is, or bearish, but bigger time frame is bullish. So that's why I still keep looking for bullish prices. We have this inversion now on ES on the 1 hour, which looks really good. Maybe it will be a nice trade just like yesterday. We have the opening range high here, which, yeah, 945, the opening range high there. Beautiful. Let's see if we want to trade toward that high, which is also in this market maker buy model. Fractal market maker buy model is also a stage of accumulation, so we'll see. Looking at this leg, we have a singular 30-minute busy on ES as well. But we have this inversion as well, so that could be already enough support for hopefully us to go higher there. We have this really clean lows here. Maybe you want to go to these lows and then from there go higher. On yes, we haven't taken those. Do need to see manipulation lower anyway. Okay, that isn't an entry, but crazy candle 13.18. Taking our opening range high now on yes. Still expect us to trade higher from there. In this 1 hour, no, it's not a 1 hour. It's nothing on here. I'm not even gonna mark it out. No, okay. So yeah, should be looking good still. See what we do. Maybe we still want to go to these lows. I still look for bullish prices, so see what we do. Nothing in here. Skipping all of this. We have a SIBI here, but we haven't taken any liquidity, so we have to take liquidity before we go higher. For me, for my setup, then at least. That will be a few minutes before the 4 hour candle, so I'll wait until that. Drop lower. Yes, really close to those highs there. See what we do. Dropping all the way lower. Still bullish. See what we have now in the bigger time frame with inefficiencies. And Q out is 1 hour inversion, which is still pretty low. Like, I don't expect it to go all the way here. And then in this, we don't really have anything. So just looking at the structure, like we are nearing those lows. Maybe we do want to go there. Like this looks like a really good. Like, is this like a triangle pattern as well? I really don't know, but I think it is. And then this will be the breakout, and then the stop losses are below here. Also like a fake bull flag, or like, yeah, let's see what we do here. But still looking for bullish prices. Like, I could be trading this pattern if my setup does show, but it doesn't yet. Still nothing here yet. Okay, they close above this 1432. Okay, so didn't take out the sell side, so we'll see. But this is setup. That'll be the inversion. That'll be the break even. That'll be the entry. That'll be the stop. Place order, save. First TP, minimum of 1 and 2. That isn't there. It's gonna be a fixed 1 and 2. And then on ES. Oh, it's not a trade. ES already took out these highs here. Let's see if we're gonna get an instant drop from here. Let's see. Okay, nothing here. 1446. Okay, so still this is holding. That's just, I keep looking at these lows, but that's why I'm distracted, I think. But yeah, eventually, yes, still going higher. Taking out this high here now. Nothing on IQ, so this is going to be outside my trading time as well. Yeah, so that will be that. That will be the week. And I think that will be the session as well. Do you take... again, this looks good. Wait, what was that from? When was that good trade? That was Thursday, and then Friday. This looks good. Somewhere in here. Don't know what trade you meant, fortunately. Do you take inversions that have other imbalances? Like it always, there's always something that says, okay, you could be looking bearish, okay, you could be looking bullish. Like there's always something that says, like in this case, we have the inversion here, but we also have the SIBI here. Like what am I looking for? Like with that, I look at the bear time frame. Okay, the bear time frame is bullish, so I ignore literally what this is then. Like I still see, okay, yeah, we have the SIBI here, but still I would ignore that and look for bullish price, because otherwise you could be looking for that like all the time in my case. Like I could be looking for bullish prices, I could be looking for bearish prices. Like there's always something that supports the idea of bullish price, and there's always something that supports the idea of bearish price, I would say. And when do you flip your bias? I always flip my bias when the range high is taken or the range low is taken of a significant range, and then we have a 50-minute or 30-minute or just a singular fractal leg, and we have like a 50-minute or 30-minute inversion from there. And on a 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour, and anything above that, once we close above or below that, then I would be looking for, okay, in that direction. So yeah, that could also change. Down the bottom there when a move happened. Oh, was there a nice entry there? Or you meant the setup that I took? Oh yeah, that could have been a nice one, yeah. Oh, eventually, yes, it went there. But so yeah, no TP there. And then unfortunately this is in lunch hour, so lunch hour reversal. Yeah, that's totally fine. Would have been a really nice one. Really nice one. Yeah. Yeah, that will be the session again. Honestly, it surprises me. This is day 1 or 14, and it keeps surprising me how fast the hour actually goes. Like I'm looking at the time when it's like 20 minutes, and then I'm thinking, wait, only 20 minutes. Like thought that this was longer, and then I look at the time again, and then it's 1 hour. It's always like that. So let's see where I ended the session. Well, it looks like it's at the highest point. Yeah, I did take some nice winners. So analytics. So I ended the session right there, the previous session, I think. Or it was right there. I think it was right here. So I take 1 win today, 1 break even, 2 wins, 2 wins, 1 loss, 3 wins, 1 loss, 3 wins, 2 losses, 3 wins, 3 losses, 3 wins, or 4 wins, 3 losses, and break even. So yeah, looks good. Yeah, it looks good. There's nothing. So yeah, this looks like all green. This looks perfect. Like this would be unrealistic, I would say, or this still would be okay, but 6% in March was a good month there. January, February I was struggling here, but still amazed me how good results were there. But yeah, now in May, I don't know what date, just started in May basically. Okay, so we'll see what that brings. These months still should all be good price action until August, September, October, and then from there I'm expecting worse price action, and then December, January, February, yeah, then like these 3 months, and then these 3, which were good now, but we'll see. Yeah, that'll be the session. Yeah, sleep well, cold. You as well, man. That's crazy. I would say it's crazy as well. Imagine, yeah, imagine, Jimmy. Like that's it. Like it's not about how much return; it's about how much capital. Like the capital, that's just crazy. Like if I had that much capital, like it wouldn't even matter. Like yeah, from there, like obviously everything would change then. Like you would want to take, yeah, you would want to get more because the expenses are more expensive, but yeah, just from where I'm at now, just 1 hour per month, that would be enough already. But yeah, doing that on. Yeah, take it easy, Jimmy. Good night, man. Or Jimmy, have a nice day. Yeah, see you, Cold. See you, Jimmy. Maybe I'll be live stream tomorrow, so maybe I see you guys tomorrow then. I might have to fund you 10 Just one RR would be enough. But yeah, see you guys hopefully tomorrow then. We'll see. I'll take 0.2%. Maybe me too. Maybe me too, yeah. And then I take negative RR trades. Alright, see you guys. See you.